XERA is designed to be simple, but powerful enough to adapt to you. Start with cleanse. Apply the Dermal Prepping Cleanser to damp skin and massage for 30 to 60 seconds. This step does more than remove impurities. It creates a clean canvas, opening pores and preparing your skin for deeper exosome absorption. Next, hydrate. Apply the Exosome Daily Repair Hydrator and gently press into the skin. This lightweight formula delivers exosomes and peptides to help support hydration, repair, and overall skin renewal. Then, lift. Apply a thin layer of the Tightening Repair Lift to targeted areas and allow to fully set. You'll feel a visible tightening effect as it works to smooth and refine. From there, make it yours. Use all 3 steps morning and night, or adjust based on your routine. XERA layers seamlessly with your existing skincare and can be used under or over makeup, because no 2 routines and no 2 results are exactly the same. XERA by Le-Vel, built to work with your skin, your routine, your way.